you poison the air I breathe.
To prepare chocolate truffle, 1½ cup dark chocolate, 1/2 cup milk or whipping cream. Mix and cook on low flame, then allow it to cool completely, then place it in the fridge for 1/2 hour. Wet ingredients: 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons sugar powder, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup sunflower oil. Mix all the ingredients well until sugar dissolves. Dry ingredients: Sieve, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Sieve the dry ingredients into wet ingredients and mix it well, adding 2 to 3 tablespoon milk to get a proper ribbon consistency. At the end, put 1½ teaspoons cooking vinegar. Preheat and bake cake for 30 to 35 minutes. Cool the cake completely, then cut it into 2 parts. Moisturize the cake with sugar syrup. Preparation of sugar syrup: 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon water. Spread the chocolate truffle, dipping the spatula into hot water. Cover the entire cake with chocolate truffle and then with the help of alcohol create fire on the cake. The alcohol will evaporate and your yummy cake is ready to eat.